Hey y'all, it's a rainy day here in Colorado. A perfect day to install some shelving against this wall. Just got back from Home Depot. Here's the supplies I'm going to be using. I've got two 48-inch black shelves, 3 tracks that I'll be mounting against the wall, and the support brackets, some 2-inch drywall screws, and screws for the support brackets. I also picked up this Stud Buddy stud finder. And these two tools I already had on hand. Let's jump right in. This is a magnetic stud finder. I've got to locate my 3 studs. Looks like we have a stud here. There's our next stud. Gonna mark that. And our last stud. Just gonna hold this up to get a quick visual. I think that height is about good. That's kind of where I want it. I'm gonna take the level. Get that air bubble right in the middle. Put that right on the stud mark. I want to make sure that this bar is level before I secure it fully. Going to hang the next bracket. Put it right on that level line. I'm going to do the top one first. Now just slide your brackets in. Lay the shelf right on top. We're all the way on the edge on this side. We have a problem on the inside. That is, we're not lining up. This is too short. The reason for that is I didn't take account into these studs being 24 inches apart. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. We can still make this work. Just gonna remove this and move it over. It's going to be going into drywall, which I don't like. I'm gonna be using some Zerk anchors. Just pre-drilling my holes. See that? Using these steel Zerk anchors. Did that just pull out? Probably shouldn't have used the impact on that. Didn't really hold well either. Wrong kind of screw. Running into all sorts of problems today. So instead of that top one, for that top one, the silver is going to be covered up. I'm going to use a molly bolt just for the top one, and I will hand tighten the other ones into the wall so that doesn't happen again. I'm not tightening all the way on the molly bolt. Check the level. Looks good. Can tighten this one all the way. Now let's just Time to install the bracket screws. We've got 2.5 inch for the back and 1 3/4 inch, I believe, 1.5 inch for the front. Got my placement where I want it. I'm going to start with the middle one. I felt this screw starting to poke up through the top. Running into all sorts of problems today. So the 2.5 is too long. I don't know why they include that in the shelf bracket kit if it's not going to work, and the other one's too short. So I'm going to do the 2-inch screw so it doesn't go through the wood on the top. They X these stickers so you can't take them off and put them on something else, but that makes them a damp rag. Seems to be helping a little bit of this removal. Got my shelves up in the office now. It's a bummer that the screws that came with this kit are too long and goes right up through the wood. I'm very disappointed about that. Next time I'm at Home Depot, I will pick up some 2 1/4 inch screws, which should be perfect to secure this back piece. And then the shelving will be able to lift up and set in pretty easily. Thank you all so much for watching. For now, this fix is done.